Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to look at an example of one method of depreciation on straight line method, and then in the other video, we will provide with another example on declining balance method. All right. So for your information, please refer to chapter 9 of your textbook, latest edition. Okay, our textbook 7 edition, chapter 9 depreciation. All right. So we're going to focus on the two methods only. This video again will be covering straight line method. Another video will be covering declining balance method. Okay, so quickly we look at straight line method. We have simple formulas actually, because a straight line method means that every year our depreciation, our asset will depreciate at the same value, right? So we say we can easily formulate that annual depreciation will be the cost of our asset minus the salvage value, and then over the useful life. Okay, and then pay attention to the salvage value. Salvage value means that means the value of our asset at the end of its useful life. Useful life means how long the asset can be used. For example, if we're buying a car, and then we expect our car to last for 5 years, means that after 5 years we're not going to use it anymore. So the useful life is 5 years, like that. Okay, so useful life is usually measured in years, and then cost and salvage value are measured in ringgit as usual. And then if you want to compute rate of depreciation, you can simply divide annual depreciation with total depreciation, or alternatively we can just take the quantity of one divide the useful life. And then we also have a formula for book value. So book value at the end, usually we compute or we evaluate the book value of our asset at the end of every financing ataupun accounting year, right? So book value at the end of year 1 is cost minus accumulated depreciation until year 1. If we are looking at for book value at year end, means that we are taking at cost again minus accumulated depreciation at the end of year end. So I will say that book value at the end of year end will be equal to cost minus accumulated depreciation at the end of year end, like that. Okay, so let's look at one example. Straight line method is a very simple method. Okay, it's easy to evaluate any values. Okay, if you look at the example at the formula just now, the formula is quite straightforward for each of them. Okay, okay, we look at example. A firm bought a machine for 6,000 ringgit. So we know that this is our cost of our asset. The machine is expected to obsolete. Obsolete means that we want to finish using it. Okay, this is regarded to the salvage value just now, and as well as the useful life. So we know that if we say that it's obsolete in 4 years, means that this is our useful life. So useful life will be equal to 4, and then salvage value is 1,000 ringgit. Okay, so this is your salvage. So you are looking for book value at the end of 3 years. Okay, we are looking for book value at the end of 3 years using straight line method. Okay, straight line method is very straightforward again, as I mentioned just now. Okay, so now we look at the formula for book value first, right? So we know that we have a cost here, salvage value here, and useful life is here. You have 3 informations given. So if we want to formulate our book value at the end of 3 years, okay, at the end of 3 years, we are talking about the cost minus accumulated depreciation at the end of year 3. Okay, so in order for us to get the value for accumulated depreciation, obviously we need to evaluate or compute our annual depreciation first, right? So we look at the formula just now. We need our annual depreciation. Yeah. So annual depreciation So we take the formula based on what we have. We can compute it as cost minus salvage over the useful life. Okay, so it is easily computed as 6,000 minus the salvage value 1,000 divide the useful life is 4 years, right? So we get we plug into calculator, we should get 1250. So it means that every year our machine will be reduce its value, by 1,250. Okay, and then obviously for book value number 3, book value at the end of year 3, we just minus the cost minus accumulated depreciation until year 3. Means that this depreciation will be affected to the machine for 3 years or 3 times, right? So easily we get book value at the end of year 3 is 6,000 minus 3 multiply the annual depreciation 1250. Okay, or it is also equal to 6,000 minus 3 multiply 1250. You should get 3750. Okay, so quickly you get 2250. So that is your book value at the end of year 3. So you can see that how we use the formula quite easily, okay, because of the nature of straight line method itself. So I want you to do a practice. A machine purchased for 8,000 ringgit in 2017. Estimated salvage value at the end of 4 years is 500 ringgit. Find accumulated depreciation after 3 years. Okay, so pay attention to the question, what the question is asking. I need you to practice this one. Write down your answer. Share your answer in our WhatsApp group. First 2 correct answers will be given a bonus marks towards your test 2. All right, so I'm waiting at the WhatsApp group for your responses. Thank you very much.